Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome to the world of a new digital cryptocurrency called Bitcoin Black. What is Bitcoin Black? Bitcoin Black is a new digital global cryptocurrency which is a fee-free and instant transfer, a lightning network energy sufficient, which focus on a field distribution by the community for the people by the people, giving power back to the people. Bitcoin Black aims for a free airdrop to 1 million people around the world. Bitcoin Black is designed to be the global cryptocurrency. Bitcoin Black uses Blockletic. In Blockletic, each individual transacting on the network possesses their own blockchain which is controlled by the individual private key. The advantage of this Blockletic over other blockchains is that the smaller use of data and energy, unlike other blockchain and individual accounts that take place within an entire cryptocurrency alongside their own information. This gives instant and free transaction with low cost of energy consumption by Blockletic. Now let's compare about Bitcoin Black and Bitcoin. As we know that Bitcoin Black is free to transfer. On the other side, Bitcoin can cost over $10 for making a transaction. Bitcoin Black transfer instantly and it takes only a fraction of a second for making a transaction. But Bitcoin can take more than 1 hour for making a transaction. Bitcoin Black is scalable to use for worldwide. On the other hand, Bitcoin has a major scalability issue. Bitcoin Black has a failed distribution, while on the other hand, Bitcoin is owned and controlled by 1% of the user. Bitcoin Black is energy sufficient. Bitcoin is energy hungry. As we know that Bitcoin use more than 10,000 times energy than this Bitcoin Black. Bitcoin Black is run by the community, for the people, by the people, giving power back to the people. But Bitcoin is owned and controlled by a corporation for a corporation since August 2017. Bitcoin Black growth is better than all the other top 10 cryptocurrency around the world. But this Bitcoin growth has been held due to the high cost and high energy consumption. Now you know that what is Bitcoin Black and its benefit. The cryptocurrency that is Bitcoin Black, what we are talking about is the CryptoZine. We can call it CryptoZine. The CryptoZine is going to wake up and start moving. Now is the time you have to choose whether to participate in the Shift the World creation of World Foundation. That is Bitcoin Black. Now let me teach you about how to sign up for free airdrop. Go to Google and type Bitcoin Black. Go to the home page and click on rewards. Now scroll down and register. Enter your first name, second name, that is it will be shown like last name, and enter your mail and register yourself. Check your mail and verification link will be there. Click it and set your password. You are done. Now go to Play Store and download. Type Bitcoin Black wallet. Download and install in your phone. Then open it, create new wallet, and copy down all your secret phrase. This secret phrase is very important in case if you have lost or if your phone is damaged. Then your secret phrase, you have to back up your Bitcoin Black wallet. Copy down and write in your notebooks this secret phrase plus your secret sheet. And the last one is copy your BCB address, receipt address, and paste it in the dashboard where you have signed it for free airdrop. Now you are done. And the other very important and very interesting is that after 1 million people around the world receive their free airdrop of 3,600 Bitcoin Black, there is another apps introduction reward. This apps introduction reward, everyone who download or who install BCB wallet in their phone are entitled to get 200 BCB coin. In this test, more than 10 million plus will download and install and will participate in the apps introduction reward. Another thing is that by referring your friends, you can participate in the top 110 where you have the chance to win 18 million coins BCB coin. Now, the last one is that initial exchange offering. In this, you have the chance to buy 1 BCB coin for $0.01 per BCB coin. Now, you all know, we all learn about what is Bitcoin Black and what is the benefit of this Bitcoin Black. Bitcoin Black will be the global cryptocurrency very soon. So it is your choice to participate or not to participate. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thanks. All the best.